Hello everyone, good morning all. So let's solve another SQL problem asked in product based companies. Assume you are given a table containing job posting from various companies on the LinkedIn platform. Write a query to retrieve the count of companies that have posted duplicate job listings. So duplicate job listings are defined as two job listings within the same company that share identical titles and descriptions. So now we have given the table job listings table, and in that company ID, title, job ID and description is given, right? I have already inserted the data into the same. Now how can we consider as the duplicate job listing? So now let me execute this query. So if two different companies has title and description, if the two different companies has title and description is same, then that company we can consider it as a duplicate job listing, right? So now how can we solve that? It is very simple, guys. We need to do group by and having, right? So let me, we need to consider as a title and description should be same, right? So select title, then com, company ID, title description. So over here we have consider the company ID as well. So let me execute this query. Okay, let me show you the entire table. Okay, so if you see over here, 244 is repeating over here, right? Company ID is repeating. Again, 244 is repeating over here. Now, if you see for 345, so again, apart from the job ID, everything is same, right? So that we can consider as a duplicate job listing, right? So now over here, what we need to do? We need to identify the company ID only, right? 245, 345 and 244, 345 and 827. So that is a very simple thing. We need to encapsulate this block in the select statement. Let me write select company ID from, right? Then enter this thing. Then we can give alias to this particular query. Now let me copy this one and let me execute this one. So it will give 245, 3, 244, 345 and 827, right? So over here same thing we have given. So here we need to identify how many companies, right? Duplicate job listings. Write a query to retrieve the count of companies that have posted duplicate job listing. So here we do not require the company ID. We require the count of the company ID, right? So simply we can do count of company ID as duplicate job listings companies. Now let me execute this one. It should give us 3, right? So this is how you can use the group by and having clause to identify the duplicate data, and sometimes you may require to delete also the duplicate data. So in that case also group by and having can be useful. So okay, thank you so much everyone. We will meet again with the next interview question as soon as possible. Thank you.